The science behind the law of attraction. The connection between the law of attraction and quantum physics is a subject of debate and interpretation. While proponents of the law of attraction often draw parallels between the two, it's important to note that these connections are not universally accepted in the scientific community. Here's an exploration of the key points often raised in this context. Quantum entanglement. Quantum physics describes the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of another, regardless of the distance separating them. Some proponents of the law of attraction suggest that this interconnectedness among particles could be analogous to the interconnectedness of thoughts and reality. They argue that the energy and vibration of thoughts might influence the energy and vibration of the universe, similar to how quantum particles influence each other. Observer effect. Another aspect of quantum physics is the observer effect, which suggests that the act of observing a subatomic particle can affect its behavior. This has led some to speculate that consciousness itself plays a role in shaping reality. Proponents of the law of attraction sometimes cite this effect as evidence that our thoughts and intentions can influence the physical world. Vibrational frequencies. The law of attraction often talks about vibrational frequencies, positive thoughts and emotions emitting higher frequencies and negative ones emitting lower frequencies. Some theorists suggest a connection between these frequencies and quantum vibrations, although this is highly speculative. Visualization and quantum mechanics. Visualization techniques, a common practice in the law of attraction, involve mentally creating a detailed image of one's desired outcome. Some argue that the act of visualization aligns your consciousness with the desired reality, which in a quantum sense may influence the probability of that outcome becoming reality. It's important to emphasize that these connections between the law of attraction and quantum physics remain theoretical and controversial. Quantum physics deals with the behavior of particles at the subatomic level and does not provide direct support for the claims made by the law of attraction. Many scientists and skeptics assert that these connections are overgeneralized and misinterpreted. The scientific community largely views the law of attraction as pseudoscience because it lacks empirical evidence and relies on subjective and anecdotal experiences. While there may be intriguing parallels between some ideas within the law of attraction and certain aspects of quantum physics, it's essential to approach these connections with caution and skepticism and to recognize the broader scientific consensus. Attempting to link the law of attraction directly to quantum physics can be counterproductive and may demonstrate a lack of understanding of the esoteric foundations of the concept. While quantum physics delves into the fascinating world of subatomic particles and wave functions, the law of attraction operates on a metaphysical and philosophical plane. It draws upon the power of the mind, the role of intention, and the influence of emotions to shape one's reality. While both quantum physics and the law of attraction explore the interconnectedness of the universe, trying to establish a concrete scientific link between them can be misleading. It's essential to respect the unique spiritual and psychological aspects of the law of attraction without reducing it to a mere scientific theory, as it functions on a different level of understanding and experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more insightful content.